In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a stroke to an image in CapCut, step by step, so you can make your photos or cutout subjects stand out with a clean outline. This is a super useful trick if you want your image to pop more in edits, thumbnails, social media videos, or any creative project. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open the project where you want to edit your image. Now drag your image into the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, left-click the image so it's selected. This part is important because CapCut only shows the editing options for the clip that you have actively selected. With the image selected, look at the top right properties panel. Here, you want to go to video, then find the remove background or cutout option, depending on your version of CapCut. This is the step that lets CapCut isolate your subject so the stroke can be added around the edges. If you see auto removal, check that box to let CapCut detect and remove the background automatically. If you want more control, you can use custom removal and mark your foreground with a brush instead. Once you enable the background removal, give CapCut a moment to process it. This can take a few seconds depending on the image and your system. After the processing is complete, a stroke option should appear directly underneath the cutout settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure the background removal has fully finished and the image is still selected. Now check the stroke box to turn it on. As soon as you do that, CapCut will add an outline around the cutout image. From here, you can customize the stroke to match the style of your project. Next to the stroke option, you'll usually see a drop-down menu with different outline styles. Click that drop-down to choose the look you want, such as solid stroke, dotted line, or offset stroke. After picking a style, use the sliders below to adjust the stroke settings. The size slider controls the thickness of the outline, so if you want a bold, standout effect, increase it a little. If you want something more subtle and clean, keep it smaller, then adjust the color to match your design. You can use white, black, bright colors, or even a shade that complements your background. Finally, use the opacity slider if you want the stroke to be more transparent or more solid. A good tip is to zoom out and check how the outline looks against your full project, because a stroke that looks great up close might be too strong or too thin when viewed in context. If you're creating thumbnails or short-form content, a bright stroke can make your subject much easier to see. If you're going for a professional look, a thinner stroke with a subtle color often works best. You can also duplicate this effect for different images in the same project. Just repeat the same steps. Select the image, remove the background, enable stroke, and then fine-tune the style and size. That makes it easy to keep a consistent visual style across your entire edit. And that's it. You now know how to add a stroke to an image in CapCut. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in the final look of your edit. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.